All right, so with this, now we have none other than Meghna ma'am.
Hi.
Okay, Meghna ma'am is with Jet King from a decade now. So, yes, hi ma'am, how are you?
I'm good.
Well, I'm quite curious to know how has been your journey since the time you joined till date.
Talking about my journey with Jet King, it has been one of the most exciting years. And why I say this? Because as in Jet Kingite, Jet King's vision is to provide economic independence to 10 million people in India and overseas.
Wow,
So, this company, when we started in the year 1947, the thought was to banish unemployment. And that's what we carry with our vision of the company. That's to provide economic independence to 10 million people in India and overseas.
is it?
Let me tell you, till date, Jetking has trained and placed more than 11.5 lakh students in IT industry.
Amazing.
So our journey is past 79 years. This is our 79th year.
Hmm.
And we go on helping students, making their life a better life. That's what is Jet King.
Wow, well, quite inspiring to hear that. So, how has been your contribution while doing all these things from the last almost like a decade now?
So, let me tell you that the journey where what we do is when we meet our students, where our students come from various backgrounds,
Yes.
where there are a lot of students who are from middle class family and but they aspire to do something
Hmm.
very good in their career, and they have that aspiration that I want to make my family should I mean I want to work for my family
Yes,
for the
yes.
good. And these students who come to us, there are various students who are non-technical students, and we transform them as
Hmm.
an engineers
Wow.
into an industry. So they start working after learning from us, they start working into an industry as engineers. So their journey is from a non-technical student to a technical engineer.
Amazing. Well, one last question, ma'am. I will not take much time of yours. How do you look further now, starting from today, in the next, let's say, maybe 1 year or 2 years? How do you look forward?
uh, so the as Jetkingite, let me share the journey continues
Hmm.
with helping students to be employable in the industry.
Okay.
So we have multiple various courses available for our students, wherein any student who's just past 12th standard,
Okay.
they can go and opt for their career with a bachelor's degree program, which is BCA in cloud computing and cybersecurity.
Okay.
Let me tell you, there is right now the phases of industry 5.0. It's
Okay.
a phase where it's an AI age. We call this as an AI age,
Fair enough.
right? And we all the youth over here wants to be a part of this AI age. Now, industry 5.0
Hmm.
looks at some of the key pillars are the students having a knowledge on cloud computing, cybersecurity,
Hmm.
AI. And these are some of the technologies which are high paying jobs. And
Yes.
what Jetking does is we help them skill those students in these technologies which can give them right placements.
Right. Well, I've just heard about Jetking recently. They have launched a couple of new courses that includes PCA and AI as well, DCC with AI. Could you please enlighten yourself with the details?
So, as I told you some time back, this is an AI age.
Hmm.
What we have at Jetking is we have introduced for all these 12 pass students
Hmm.
bachelor's in computer application with three different streams. One is
Okay.
cloud computing and cybersecurity, data science and AI
Hmm.
with AI, and multimedia and animation. Now, the beauty of this course or the benefit what the student gets when a student is learning
Hmm.
BCA in cloud computing and cybersecurity from JetKing is
Yes.
once that student
Hmm.
has completed his first year,
Okay.
the first year of BCA, once the student completes, he is job ready
Are you
and
sure?
he gets job
Hmm.
in the industry. That's where by the time he completes his graduation,
Hmm.
he has 2 years, more than 24 months of work experience.
Amazing.
Okay, so once that student is a graduate in BC in cloud computing and cybersecurity, that student gets 2 years of experience plus whatever he has invested,
Hmm.
that gets back, that comes back to him. That's a return on investment. And the most important, he gets an industry experience,
Wow.
which most of the youth,
Hmm.
if you see in India, they start looking for employment after they
After the
complete their
graduation.
graduation.
Even I agree.
Whereas, that's right. But over here,
Hmm.
once the student has finished his first year, that means after the first year of a graduation, he starts his journey in the industry.
Wow. Impeccable to hear that. Well, thank you so much for sharing
Thank you.
this information.
Thank you.
Thank you.